Assalamu alaikum girls. Here we have problem number 2 on book page number 99 of the third edition. Problem number 2 we have three partners Aleem, Badr and Salim form a partnership contributing equal amount of capital shown below. Yes, in this question again they have mentioned the partners are equal. It means their distribution ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1. As we know the distributing ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1, so all partners we have the same amount of capital. Aleem will have cash 30,000, office equipment 150, Badr have cash 100,000, merchandise for the balance, and Salim machinery worth 160 and balance for the cash. As you can see in the question solution that we have three partners Aleem, Badr and Salim having the equal amount of ratio. They are equal partners, so the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1. Okay, we have cash of Aleem is 30,000 and office equipment, this is I am doing working for you people, and office equipment is 150,000. Now what will be the total? 180,000 will be the total. Simultaneously I will calculate the amount of investment for all the partners. It means all the partners will have the same 180,000. Okay, here Badr will also 180,000 and Salim will also have 180,000. Why? Because they are equal partners. This is the only reason that why they have the same amount of capital, because they are equal partners. Here again I can say the Badr is having the cash 100,000 it is given, but it is not equal to 80,000. We want 180,000, so we will add 80,000 over here for Badr, and this 80,000 will be for merchandise inventory. Okay. Now for the Salim we have 160,000 machinery and the balance in cash. Here 160,000 is machinery, but total should be 180. So we will add 20,000 for the cash. Is this clear? Now I will form journal entry with you. Yes, for the requirement of the journal for the first person, Mr. Aleem, the first investor, Mr. Aleem, he having a cash 30,000 and office equipment 150,000. So the total capital of Mr. Aleem's capital will be 180,000. This is the simple journal entry. After writing the narration, you have to put the narration line, and then you have to maintain the second journal entry over here for Mr. Badr and Mr. Salim. Mr. Badr will also have the 180,000 the same. We will write the cash over here for Mr. Badr 100,000. Yes, here we can see the cash of Mr. Badr is 100,000, merchandise 80,000 and Badr's capital is 180. Then we have another Salim's capital machinery is 160, cash is 20,000 and Salim's capital is 180. You can see here 180, 180, 180. The three partners who is investing into the firm is investing the same amount of capital, so they are equal partners and having the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1. Thank you so much. This is the supporting video for all of you for the solution of 1994 past papers and problem number 2 on book page number 99 of third edition. Thank you so much.